Well, Michael Proctor's fate on the force of the Mass State Police will be in limbo until next month after a trial board hearing wrapped up today with no conclusions. Trooper Proctor was lead investigator in the high-profile Karen Reed case. His hearing today was to explain allegations of misconduct that came to light during the Reed trial. Our NBC 10's Kirsten Glavin joining us live from Framingham with the latest and exclusive video. Kirsten.
Priscilla, that's right. Michael Proctor will remain a Massachusetts State Police officer for at least another few weeks, and the fate of his career will ultimately be up to the state police colonel. Only our cameras capturing Michael Proctor returning to his home in Canton Wednesday night after day one of his trial board hearing. The suspended state police trooper moving quickly from his car to the door shortly after 6 o'clock before we could get a question in.
The call, Trooper Michael Proctor to the stand.
The lead investigator in the Karen Reed murder case has faced allegations of misconduct and growing public outrage.
She's a whack job.
His highly offensive text messages about Reed read aloud in court during his testimony about John O'Keefe's death investigation. Proctor's initial suspension coming down after Reed's mistrial was declared in July.
It wasn't helpful at all for Trooper Proctor in how some of those responses were given.
Day one of his trial board hearing not resulting in disciplinary action, with continued proceedings scheduled for February 10th. Once it wraps, any recommendations would then be sent to the state police colonel and to the state's post commission, which certifies police officers throughout the state.
I think a lot of good police officers feel that this has put them in a horrible position and made them look very bad.
NBC 10 Boston legal analyst Michael Coyne says Proctor's conduct has seriously damaged law enforcement's reputation, and that it will likely hurt the Commonwealth as they prepare to retry Reed's case this April.
Now, obviously, there's some real danger with the jury hearing that he's terminated as a result of his behavior as lead investigator in this case. So, yeah, it could marginally get worse, but it's really, really bad already.
And Proctor did apologize for those derogatory text messages that he read aloud during Karen Reed's first trial, saying that they did not have, or did not rather, have any impact on the integrity of this case. Obviously here, this was just day one. This hearing is set to continue next month, February 10th, and we will be there to cover that. We're live here in Framingham tonight. I'm Kirsten Glavin, NBC 10 Boston.